favorites. I don't know if you can tell, but I use this line. I am really, really pleased with this product. The whole line is fantastic. This is the Illuminating Overnight Mask. You wake up feeling glowy. Sometimes masks, you feel like your skin is gonna crack afterwards because it's so drying. This is quite the opposite. You put this on at night, go to sleep, you wake up looking more radiant.
Yeah, that's why, and by the way, this is something, we have a consumer perception study. I want you to take a look at this, ladies, and I'm gonna explain what this does, but 100% thought that their skin felt moisturized. I love using the word hydrated. 93% skin looked smoother, more rejuvenated, firmer. And I will tell you something, and by the way, what this is, you know, I keep talking about hydration. So this has 36 treatments in it. And Kelly, I want you to put some on your hand.
Sure.
And I want you to also smell it. And you look at, let's take a look at her hand.
I love the way it smells.
And 36 treatments. And this is something you're gonna put on your face. It's gonna absorb it in. And you're gonna leave it in. It's like plugging your phone in at night. You're gonna do this 3 times a week. You're gonna put this on your deck, in your face.
It smells so good.
And you're gonna let this, and this has my incredible, wonderful hyaluronic acid, okay? And it also has my ethyl absorbic acid, which is my stable form of vitamin C. So you're doing multiple things with this. As you sleep, this is working to do numerous things. Number one, we're hydrating. And by the way, I can't overemphasize enough about hydration for your skin. By the way, you can drink your 8 ounces of water a day. It's not gonna just plump things up, okay? It's just not gonna happen, unfortunately. Especially after years, you losing some of that soft tissue fullness. So one, hydration, very important all night long to your skin with the hyaluronic acid. 2, with the vitamin C, we're decreasing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. We're helping with the tone of your skin to increase it, and with the firmness. All these is what's important.
And I tell you what, this has not been here for a while. In fact, I know when you had your Today Special in January, there was a smaller size that was in.
Yeah.
So if you've been using it, I would love to talk to you today, because this is totally different than any other mask I've ever used. Love to hear your feedback. But this is the full size. You don't get like a smaller version. This is the full size to stock yourself up, and it's $21 off today.
Yeah, I mean, one thing too, by the way, I don't know, can we see one of these lovely ladies, our models, putting it on? And I want you to show how you gently rub this in a circular motion. And let's see, we're gonna get, most likely, there we go, there's Sue. So you can see Sue putting this in, and a little bit goes a long way, because this tube, which is what, 4 ounces? 4 ounces, you can treat your whole face 36 times, and you use this about 3 times a week.
That's less than $1 a treatment.
Yeah, that's it. I mean, this is incredible. And that's why if you have hyaluronic acid, remember, I want you to stay looking beautiful, young, keep you out of my office. And that's what these products, especially with hydration and leaving this on all night long, and you're doing nothing except sleeping. I know. And it's not like, you know, it soaks on your pillow. You rub it in, wait a few minutes,
It
and then you go to bed.
Right in, and you just fall asleep, and honestly, you will just love the way it feels, the way it smells. It's got a beautiful texture, and 36 beauty treatments at this price for this line is an outstanding opportunity. If you want to read some reviews, there's some great ones on hsn.com. Another customer pick, like so many other things from your products.
You know, and by the way, let's say, ladies, after you use a detox pad at night, then what is your next step? So what I want you to do, 1, use the detox pad to exfoliate. Get your skin prepped, ready to go, okay? Help decrease the size of the pores. 2, I want you to use this, depending on your skin, try it in the beginning for the first 3 weeks, 2 times a week. The other 5 times a week, I want you to use the HydroScreen. Then after you get used to this, use this 3 times a week.
Okay, great.
And then HydroScreen the other 4 nights a week. That's what you have to do.
Okay, and speaking of HydroScreen, I'm going to remind you of how to get the HydroScreen, but this Illuminating Mask, over 500 people picking it up. This is a really great, great product. 479823. There you see it, almost 500 spoken for. There's only 1 show later tonight. And to my knowledge, after these shows, this price goes back to normal. So we're celebrating a 2nd anniversary with Dr. Nassif and celebrating spring. So with that, we're